What's up, everyone? This is Select Hybrid. It's part of the S-Bless promotion. We're doing this by the 10. You slashed it, made it by the 10, flew. We're doing number 2 after this. 2's hitting the screen. Good luck. It's not as colorful as this year's, but it's 70% less. Remember, you're paying 70% less. Remember that. It's not as colorful, but you're paying 70%. And take your 2s. Send the email out for this one. I don't know, everyone's sleeping. Alright, guess the first parallel. Oh, guess the black, in case there is one, for a repack spot. Guess the black in case there is one. Someone's winning a repack spot automatically in this break. But anyone in the chat can guess it. Good luck. Thank you to all the collectors that filled this. Take your obsidians. It's close. All right, we got blue. Kuminga. Jalen, it's a rookie blue. It's the 25 for Gregory. 12 of 25, Isaiah Jackson. Red of Kawhi. What's up, Mango? Franz. Bam Disco, and that's box 1. Quick break for a 10. More blue. Cade. Gary Trent blue. Red. The color is there, we're just not hitting. D'Lo red. Jalen Green silver. And this class is officially being slept on. I might even make a video about it. This class is being slept on right now. It's slept. I'll probably make a video about it because we like videos. It's the first 2. Everyone's focusing on Bencaro, Chet, the new kids. This class was red hot during their rookie season. And people are just sleeping now. Because there's some players in there. There's going to be a couple all-stars this year out of this class this year. It always happens, 3rd year. Trust me. There's the kid. There's an all-star. He'll be an all-star. Get Jaron Allen off our team. 3rd year is when, subs. He's not going to be an all-star. Yeah, giddy. I'm telling you, people are sleeping on this class. They're not going to be sleeping over the next few days when I talk about it. Herb Jones silver. Herb Jones he's a stud. I'm telling you, this class is pretty damn good. This is the year we learn about it. We really learn about it. It's gonna have 2 All-Stars. Oh, Isaiah, no, Evan Snickers. Evan. Isaiah's not Depoy. It's Evan. Evan's gonna win Depoy. He is. If he's healthy, he's probably the favorite. Yeah, Evan Snickers. Rashawn Holmes, red courtside. What is happening with this color? It's like literally the wrong player after wrong player. It's just Earl, blue. The color's there. We're hitting a bunch of colors. 2 color boxes. Franz could be an all-star. I'm telling you, this is the class. I don't know. I'm just one of those. I like buying stuff when no one's really talking about stuff. It's the first 5. The color was there, but the players were a disaster. Third year in the league, this is when you really learn about the players. You really learn. This is their year. Cade's coming back. This is when you really learn. Where's the golds, the greens, the blacks? Where are they? The colors there. We're seeing a lot of color. Second half should be insane amount of golds and greens then. So you have take your Obsidian Hobby 30. There's a gold. At least 1 gold this half. Golds fly out of this. It's not as colorful this year's, but it's the golds and the greens and the blacks, they still fly out at a really high rate. Şengün, yeah, Şengün, Barnes, Disco, Davion, Silver. Courtside of Moody, Giannis, Disco. There's Levine. Got Giddy, Tatum, Disco. Kuminga, maybe this will be his year. Jalen Brunson, red. On Dallas, though. Yeah, people love there's so many people that people love, like players that people love. There's Scotty Barnes, collectors. There's Evan Mobley collectors. Cam Thomas is a sleeper. Love red. These guys are, like, I'm telling you. Luka, courtside, Disco. They're calling him only Franz. Brunson was in the 2018 NBA draft. Same year as Luka. Blue of Suggs. Super Fam on cue. All right, guess the gold for 18. Guess the gold for 18. Red of Kyrie. Springer. Kuminga Disco. Kevin Porter. Yeah, a lot of color. A lot of color. A lot. Trey Murphy silver. Plus you get the silvers, the discos. It's just the players on the color. Like red of Blake Griffin. The players have been a disaster this break. Hopefully the next break it's better. Take your twos. What's up, Lou? Last box. Take the next one. It's hitting LeBron Disco. Come on, big gold. For one of the collectors. Tatum Disco. Who is it? Disaster. Wow, just crazy. And it's peaking crazy that gets it. Second half should have insane color. Like, the color should be, like, better players. The color was there. The players were a disaster. 2 is hitting, though. 2 is hitting. So much color. Crazy amount of color. That is the break.